Let's replace your shower light. Now, are you using the right bulb to replace it in order to get the best results when you turn it on? I'll give you information that will help you make the right decision. First, let's go ahead and turn off the light switch. Make sure you pick the right one. To remove the cover, you may have one of two. First thing you want to do is look at the glass and see if you can spin it counterclockwise. Go ahead and use your hands, and if it just spins and not come out, then you're going to have to go ahead and use your hands and pull it out. You will have to use your fingers to stick them on the side of the recessed cover. If you feel the cover is stuck or there may be some paint where it's sticking on the edges, just use a screwdriver to wiggle it loose. Once you get a gap, you're able to easily put your fingers on either side, as you can see here, and then just pull it down. As you separate it from the ceiling, you will feel it stop. The cover is being held by something they call a torsion spring. There's two of them on each side. If you notice in here, the springs come right up and there's a little metal clip that holds both of them. Now, the key to removing them is you want to squeeze them together and then pull them out of those little notches. You can see here. Now, your light bulb may have a metal cover plate around. Now, if you have one of these, you're gonna have to twist it either counterclockwise or clockwise because of this round notches it has. You will hear a click. If you don't, then you're gonna have to twist it the other way. You'll be able to access the light bulb whether you have a cone or you have it exposed like mine. Notice the foam padding. If it's worn out, you might want to think about replacing it. So are you sure you're using the right bulb? You will probably have a clear or frosted bulb such as these. I recommend replacing the clear one with an LED equivalent. This one's are to be used in your vanity lighting. They work much better and last longer. Stay away from the coil ones. They generate quite a bit of heat and the plastic tends to discolor, causing them to fail over time. Choosing a frosted bulb LED like this one is the best one. They run very cool, but they're still a better option. When I filmed the first part of this video, I actually replaced an LED with another LED. Now here's where the game changer comes in. This little thing right here is an adapter for an LED bathroom light. The light comes sealed with a brand new pad to protect against moisture. You're able to select the type of light you want to use. I ended up going with Halo brand because these ones are made for the shower. It's dimmable and they're very easy to install. I just pop them right up. I could also install them in the basement to replace the old lighting I had. And here's a sample of the colors you can choose: a cool blue or a warmer tone. Here's where the lights give me a big bang for the buck. I had a flood and the insurance company would only change the color of the carpet and the walls. I had terrible truffer lighting all throughout, so I replaced those with halo lights. The results were amazing. Prior to the flood, we were going to get a home equity loan, but after a change of color in carpet, wall, and new halo lights, the appraisal came in at $25,000 more than the original one. Now, my friend was fancier. He went with some Philip lights to improve one of his rooms. They can be controlled with the phone. Now, make sure that you put your light bulb in, replace that cover. Give me a thumbs up if you found the video helpful and informative. Consider subscribing for home strategy videos like this one. I link to all items in the video in the description.